Good morning, everyone. Welcome in my next video lecture, create Android applications. And this is very simple applications today we have to create. So first we discuss regarding what we have to do. As all of you know, for creating an interface, we use XML file. And this XML file is basically place some control, and that control user can see and interact. But creating an interface not only used by XML file, we also create Java file. So there are two ways. First, static way using drag and drop. Second, dynamic means Java file where we use object of some control and you can use in the output, and that will show on your screen. And obviously in that case we use very important method on create method. This is the default method you can see in the Android Studio, and that method is basically used two line of code. First, super dot on create, it basically used to call the constructor of base class, means activity class. And second, set content view. So set content view is a method where you can use r.layout.activity main XML file. So whatever control you place on the layout or in the XML file, you can see through this set content view. But here I will change if we want to create welcome message using Java file. So now let's we come to the applications, Android Studio, and here first we create welcome message using a XML file. So this is the XML file, and this is the default interface you can see here. Constant layout which contain test view control, and that content hello world message. So now we want to print welcome message, so we can write here welcome to Prestige. And if we want to increase text size, we use attribute window, all attribute, and see text size, this one. And here you can use 25 SP, so that will increase the text size at the center of the screen. Okay, this is a very simple way. So now let's we execute this application. The same way you can use string.xml file, and where you can create a string name. You can write welcome to Prestige, and that string name you can use in the text property, and you can print same message, because in that case it show the warning, and warning is hard code. So now you can see here, but obviously that is a warning, so there is no effect on the execution. So if you want to remove that warning, what we have to do, we can go to the project and go to the value folder. This is the project tab, and this is the resource folder and values folder. So where we can create a string, and you can assign that string and the text property of the text view control, so that one you can delete, and you can show the welcome message on the screen. So let's first we see the output on the Android emulator. So now I share you Android emulator, this one. Execution is going. So it takes some time. So I hope you understand. So now this is a very simple way to create welcome message, and this is the static way. So now we drag text view control on the screen, change text property, change text size, and now show the welcome message at the center on the Android emulator. So now execution is complete. So now I share Android emulator, this one. So this is the output of this application, welcome to Prestige. So this is the static way. Now the same output we want to print using Java file. So now this is the very important. So what we have to do? We come to the XML file first. Now first we stop this execution. Okay, so now this is the 1 minute. I share Android Studio. Okay, and this is the XML file, and we remove text view control, which I have placed on this screen. So now we don't want to be used. So now we remove this text view control. So now screen is clear. There is no control in this screen. Clear? And now come to the Java file. And through Java file, we want to print same message. So that is the dynamical. So now first we create object of text view. And here we create object dynamically. So using new operator, new text view, and passing this keyword here. Okay, and then we use some method of this object. So first t dot set text, and here we write welcome to Prestige Gwalior. Okay, and obviously we have to increase the size. So set text size. So t object set text size. Where is this one? So now we can use set text size. So here we can assign like 24 size, and obviously we want to print at the center. So now we can write here t dot set gravity. Set gravity. So we want to use gravity dot center horizontal or gravity dot center vertical. So now use same method set content view, but here we don't pass this argument. We just pass t object. Okay. So I hope you understand. Welcome message by using set text message. We increase the size, set text size, and at the center, so we use set gravity method. So again, we execute this applications. So now we are not using any control in XML file. So now XML file is totally blank. So we are using the Java file. We write the code, and the same output, same welcome message you can see on the Android emulator. So I hope you understand. Any visual interface you can create by using two ways. The first statical by using drag and drop, and second dynamical using Java file. So I hope you understand how we can create such applications. So now execution is going. So we come to the Android emulator. Android emulator, I share you. Yes. So now this is center emulator, and now you can see here. Welcome to Prestige Gwalior. Obviously, this message we write in the set text method. Welcome to Prestige Gwalior. So same output you can see, and obviously we can create such application dynamically using Java file. So I hope you understand. Thank you very much. Thanks, everyone.